Hello everyone, my name is Syndi, a mom, a wife, and our family loves adventure. Join us as we bring you all with us on our blissful life of fun and adventure.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to another episode of the Blissful Wanderer, and we are in one of our favorite playground in Jasper, Alberta. Did I say Jasper? Jasper, yes. Don't mind my... It's so... Anyways, we are with Skylar. Skylar, where are you? Hi! And the whole fambam right there. We are gonna go snowshoeing at MALIGNE Lake. So what are we waiting for? Let's go!
Yay! It's another lovely weekend. That means we are up for another adventure. And this time we are joined by our family snowshoeing at MALIGNE Lake. While cousins were up for the challenge, our little boy decided to just stay in Mama's back. Well, that's okay. I would love to carry you until I can carry you. And I will forever carry you in my heart.
We're gonna go around because this is melting and it's not good. We need to turn around. Okay, we're gonna go on the side. I think it's safer down there, and this is not a good sign. Okay, turn around. So we check the snow down, or the ice down here, and it's still hard comparing to that one. Wow!
It looks like a monkey.
Like a monkey. Oh yeah, that's right. Snack time, Skylar. Okay.
MALIGNE Lake is both beautiful during the winter season and during the summer season. And both season offers wide variety of things that you can do, either cross-country ski, snowshoe, or just enjoy the scenery and meet some wildlife during the winter time. Or canoe, walk on the side of the lake, cruise to the famous Spirit Island, or do backcountry camping at one of the campsites. This lake is a must-see on both season with friends and family.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you ready to go home?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Warm up.
Yeah. After you warm up your feet in Mama's tummy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I want a new box, mommy.
Yes. Mama carried you, right?
There's a baby.
Are you still a baby?
Let's go, mommy.
Let's go home.
Let's go home. Mommy, we want to have fun.
And the king of the road has done it again. They are taking ownership of the road, and we just have to wait for a turn until they want us to pass through.
Love Skylar.
Welcome. I'm going to say Jasper was recently named the second most welcoming place in Canada. Those judges almost got it right. Jasper has also recently been named the #1 ski town in Canada. Those judges got it absolutely right. what community looks like. We set the standard, so thank you for showing our guests what it means to be part of this community. So I hope that you've enjoyed the evening, the entertainment from DJ.
And that lovely weekend ended with a blast with friends and family. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we hope to see you again next week for another fun and adventurous.